Hey, come here. Do you know you can actually earn money by simply doing affiliate marketing using Pinterest? So, in this video, I'll be telling you my three-step strategy by which you can do affiliate marketing and earn money using Pinterest. Let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Mukesh. You are watching Earning Insight. Make sure to subscribe the channel, turn on the notification bell if you are interested in Pinterest marketing and blogging tips. Alright guys, so today's topic is very important because it deals with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Guys, I listen a lot of questions from all of you guys asking about doing affiliate marketing in the correct way in Pinterest so that you will not get banned in Pinterest. So guys, I'll share with you my three-step strategy by which you can do affiliate marketing strategically to increase your earnings in Pinterest. So guys, the first step that I have for you is creating your affiliate link. So guys, what you need to do first is you have to go to a platform who can provide you to create your affiliate link. So if you don't know, there are a lot of big platforms available nowadays which can actually help you to create your affiliate link. Some of the biggest platforms are Amazon Associate, ClickBank, as well as MaxBoundary. Now I will be taking you to my laptop screen right now where I will be showing you how actually you can create your affiliate link.
Alright guys, so I'm in my laptop screen right now. Now to get your affiliate link, I recommend three platforms. The first one is Amazon Affiliate, the second one is MaxBoundary, and the third one is ClickBank. Actually, ClickBank is the largest and the biggest affiliate marketing platform in the world right now. So I'm showing you in ClickBank how to generate the affiliate link. You can actually do the same with Amazon Associate or MaxBoundary as well. Now in Amazon Associate, you don't necessarily have your website. You don't need any website. In some of the other affiliate marketing platforms, you may need your particular website. So if you are not having your website, you just have to choose the right affiliate marketing platform from which you can get your affiliate link. So guys, now here now you can actually create your particular login ID and password in ClickBank. It is free to use. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to create your ID as well as password for in ClickBank. Once you do this, you will have a login screen something like this. Then you have to go to marketplace, and then once you go to marketplace, in the left hand side you will see a lot of categories for the type of content that you want to promote. So for example, I'll take cooking and then I'll take recipes. So considering that I'll promote a recipe in my Pinterest account. So now here you just have to make sure that you filter it by gravity, because when you sort it by gravity, the first result that you see is the highest sellable program in ClickBank. So if it is selling for others, then it will also sell for you as well. So guys, just to give you example, I'll take an example of this one for the keto recipe. Now this particular program is looking like this. So this is a really good landing page. So what that means is, guys, if you promote any pin and if you give link to this particular page, so the person who clicks on this, on your particular pin, will land up in this particular page. And if he or she buys this particular programs, you will actually make money. So for example, this particular page is actually, yeah, this is around $21. So you will be earning something around 40% to 50%. All the programs have different kind of commission attached to them. So guys, now to promote this program, what you have to do is you have to click on the promote pin, and then you have to generate hop link. And then once you generate hop link, then you will have your hop link generated. Now you have to create copy. So once you copy it, and then you have to promote this pin in your Pinterest profile. Now this is a really ugly one, so if you want, you can actually shorten it in the Bitly. If you don't know what Bitly is actually used to shorten the links. You have to paste it and then go to create, and then you can actually customize the last text. We'll keep it best keto recipes for weight loss. This is what will keep it. Let's see if it is available. Yeah, it is available. Now we have to copy it, and then we'll be creating a pin, which is our step 2 to promote this particular program.
So guys, the second tip that I have for you is creating the right pin with all the right disclaimers so that you can create an affiliate pin to promote your product.
Now guys, in step 2 what we have to do is actually we have to create a relevant pin for the type of offer that we are promoting. So here I am already actually I have created a pin. I'll just to help you guys, I have already created a pin of best keto recipes. So the pin is something looking like this: best keto diet plan to lose weight. And then I'll have a destination link which we have already made, bit.ly link. Then we'll have a description which I already made just to make things fast. This guys, don't go ahead with these kind of description, because I just created it just for reference purpose to make the tutorial fast. Now you have to add a title: best keto recipes to lose weight, and then what you have to do here is you have to type a hashtag ad. Now this is a disclaimer by which Pinterest will understand that you are actually promoting affiliate link by this pin, and it will not ban your account. And then you have to choose the right board where you want to publish this content. I am not having any cooking related boards because I am not working in this niche. Now you have to create a board, and then you have to publish this particular pin to the relevant board so that Pinterest eventually promotes your pin to different users.
Guys, the third step that you have to follow is to join group boards, which is relevant to the affiliate link that you are promoting.
Now guys, the third step to do affiliate marketing successfully using Pinterest is to join the right tribes. So guys, to join the right tribes, first you have to join Tailwind. Now Tailwind is like the official partner of Pinterest, which help automatically scheduling your pins. So this is kind of a must if you want to grow your Pinterest account, because this will help you also to schedule your pins automatically. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can just go ahead and join Tailwind. It is free for first month if you go by my affiliate link. So guys, what you have to do is here you have to go to tribes. Now tribes are actually a group of people who are interested in one specific niche. So if I'll go to tribes here, then I'll what you can do is actually you can go and find a tribe which is relevant to you. Now I have already joined some tribes, so I'll not go and find a tribe for this particular thing. Oops, wait, it is really slow. So guys, the next thing that you have to do is you have to click on find a tribe, and then you have to go to food and drink section, and then you have to choose the right sub category which is defining your niche. So for example, I'll be defining healthy food. Healthy food looks good for me. Now once you choose that, then you will have a lot of tribes which are relevant to you, that a Tailwind will suggest you. So for example, this is like food and recipe, and there are 2440 members, and the activity level is quite good. So you can actually request to join, and once you join you will have I'll not join by the way now, because ultimately I'll be ending up in joining this group. I don't want that because my niche is not relevant to cooking. So I'll just show you some examples now. This is a tribe which is related to blog growth and monetization tips. Now if you see here in this tribes, people actually share their content, and you have to actually repin it in your board, and in return they will repin your pins into their boards. So basically what you have to do is you have to save their pins into your boards, and in return they will promote your pins. So these are actually real people. If you see these are actually the sharing count. This particular pins is around 274 kind of shares. It is around 861 shares. So you can see which pins you want to save, and then you have to save any of the pins which you like into your board, and in return people who are there in this particular tribe will promote your pin, and in this way you will able to reach more and more people and your chances on getting clicks will be more and more. So this is how you can actually promote your affiliate link, and even if you earn one sale in 10 days guys, that would be very very good, because if you generate one sale in 10 days also, you can easily earn around $15 in the starting time, and then slowly you can grow the affiliate marketing, and you can grow to earn money online using this technique. So guys, that's it for today's video. Ask me the questions if you have anything in your mind. I'll try to answer them. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Keep earning, keep learning.